All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you are just tuning into the channel for the first time, that's right, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. Well guys, this is what I want you guys to do. Stop what you're doing right now. Give me, or actually hit that subscribe button, right? That's important. Also hit that notification button too as well, and also give me a thumbs up automatically. That's what I'm asking. Stop what you're doing and do it right now. So today we are located here on the southwest side of the Las Vegas Valley. We're going to be looking at this product by Lennar, and this is the Skyland model. Now the Skyland model, the base price, the starting price is $425,990. Property features 2,270 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2-car garage. Basically, with this builder, what you see is what you get. HOAs are going to be about $57 a month, which is pretty good. I'm going to come along this side here. Look how big these lot size are. Pretty huge for the lot size. Now, home does also come equipped with solar panels too as well. Okay. All right, let's go back inside because it is getting a little chilly. Chilly. Talking about chilies, we haven't eaten chilies for a while. Okay. All right. Home does come with a ring and also a panel. Give me just a second here while I'll try to figure out how to open this door. Here we go. As we enter. Ooh, look at this. As we come in. Nice high ceilings, nice and open. It feels nice and refreshing. Refreshing. I do love how wide this hallway is. Now, one tip I want to share with you: if you look down the hallways, this is what you always got to take a look at too. Like the 2x4s, like this one ain't straight. This could actually be straightened out. So this is something that I would actually take a look, okay, when you do your final walk, and also your drywall right here. Now, sometimes it's just the baseboards. Now let's walk on down. Let's see what we got. Let's walk on down. Wow, this is very unique. So you have the dining like right here. Huh. Then you have your living right here. Well, it seems like, oh, I'm really not liking this one. And that's just my personal opinion. For about 2,000 square feet, I mean, mine just seems a lot bigger and it's only 1,600 square feet. It's amazing how it's not always about the square footage. It's about the layout of the home. Also, believe it or not, when you furnish a home appears to be a lot bigger. You got your quartz countertops here. Beautiful undermounted sinks. They did the seam down the middle. They did it correctly on this one. You got your high-end Moen faucet. Okay. You got your General Electric appliances. You got the backsplash, that is a upgrade. 42 upper cabinets. The white color is definitely an upgrade, but the quality is not the upgrade. Okay. You got your traverse lights again here. Now what you'll notice is this: with the builders, with the flooring, vinyl, wood, right? They always put it underneath the tile because it has to shift. I mean, underneath the baseboards. Now also, do not spray WD-40 in here on the hinges if the home is squeaking. They do make a certain type of silicone that can come in here, because if not, what happens is you'll start rubbing this and you're gonna get like dirt and dust here, and it's hard to wipe off. It's like a black grease. Even on the sliders, they do make a certain type of silicone. Now, because it gets a little bit windy, let me give you a prime example. Okay, do you already see all this dust that is coming in here? You should be cleaning out your tracks probably once a week. It's very simple. You can just vacuum it while you're cleaning your home. Definitely do love the backyard and the covered patio too as well. They do make a certain type of silicone on the track that you can use for you to slide the door nice and smooth. After a while, if the sun beats on that side because you don't have a covered patio, what happens is those wheels will actually crack, then you're pretty much done. And it happens all the time. Here's a 2-car garage. So we have a bathroom on here to the left, but we're gonna take a look at this bedroom here. This bedroom is 10 by 10, it looks like. It's not that large of a bedroom. Now, everything's all pretty much just stock and standard here with this home. You know, you don't really get the wow factor. However, you know, I gotta show you every single product that is out here because that's what this channel is all about. Because we want to make sure we get everybody within their price range of homes what they are looking for. Also, we have hired a bunch of new agents. We have a total of 10 agents that is on the team, right? And we are kicking butt, guys, and that's because of each and every one of you guys. And it needs to be known right now, I'm not playing, okay? My life has changed because all of the subscribers and all the people that have supported me and the channel, and it's not only me, okay? It's the team. Yes, you also got to understand, look, this impacts everybody, okay? Let me explain. By you guys subscribing, you guys giving us a call, it helps me out financially, helps my wife out, it helps my family because I also take care of my nieces, my nephews. Like, it impacts everybody. Now, don't forget, you got, my right-hand man, Joey, right? Him, he's got 2 kids, he's got the family, right? Then you got the other agents that you're also supporting, right? You're helping all of us grow at one time. It's not about me, it's bigger than that. It's about all of us because in exchange, we do help you guys out and we'd love to walk you through the process. It's so important to be buying a home the right way, the smart way. Can you literally go and buy a brand new home yourself? Yes, you can. But then you are gonna get slammed into a deal. Why get slammed into a deal when we can literally help you out through the process, okay? And the good news is, yo, we do charge a fee. Look, you working with me, it's free 99. Look, where you can get free 99, right? That's pretty affordable, right? Free 99. I don't know if you guys are catching on to that. So coming into what? The second bedroom upstairs. Now this is a pretty decent size. I'm gonna get the light on my backside here. This is actually a Jack and Jill bathroom that shares these 2 bedrooms, which is great. And you got the tub shower combo. Now I'm gonna come back on out. Okay. Now, if you guys want information about this property, give us a call and I'll send you over the option sheet, right, of everything that comes with Lennar. 48 inches on the smart panel box here. You do have the attic access inside the, I was gonna say closet, but this ain't a closet. Here's your smart panel box. Whoops, had to move it so quickly. So quickly. Let's just go into the master. Whoa! Oh my gosh, this is so large, right? That you could fit 2 king-size beds. I hope that I'm entertaining you guys today. Man, I just feel like so blessed. Like, man, I feel like I tell you guys this all the time, but I really try to drill it in you guys and let you guys know that how much I really, really appreciate you guys. Like, y'all changed my life. Like, for real. For real, for real. Now, when you say for real, you know that's for real, right? All right, let's go take a look. Now, I can tell you all the rooms are just too dark. You're gonna need 4-can lighting on here. That's just for sure. The standard tile is typically the 18 by 18 porcelain tile. You kind of get like that bright, not the bright, but the brown look. Now, a lot of these homes are gonna pretty much all look the same with Lennar. The only thing that's different, right, with Lennar is basically the materials from one home to another. I don't want to say it's boring for me to tour these type of homes, but I don't get so excited as much as like custom homes. And like, I wish I could show you some of these homes that we go tour, because when we start hitting like the luxury side, what happens is like some of our clients don't want us to do the tour of their homes, right? And it's just for all privacy, so you gotta understand that. Oh yeah. Also, hey, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay? Reason why this is important is because I only have 4,000 people follow me on Instagram. And I want at least 100,000. That's the goal. 100,000 on Instagram. I haven't really pushed the Instagram thing, but I definitely got to push the Instagram, you know? All right, guys, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe, y'all know what to do. Go ahead and stop what you're doing. Hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification button as well. Give me a thumbs up. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.